Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm truly glad you found us because today's update is something that could have a major impact on millions of Americans, especially those who receive Social Security retirement benefits, Supplemental Security Income, SSI, Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, or Veterans Affairs, VA benefits. Before we get into the big news, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any important updates, especially ones that directly affect your finances and government payments. Now, let's talk about the huge headline this week, a special $1,966 deposit that's going out starting Monday. Yes, you heard that right. Nearly $2,000 in relief is on the way for many Americans, and for some of you, it's expected to hit your account overnight. For others, it may take a bit longer, depending on how you normally receive your benefits. Either way, this is one of the biggest direct deposits we've seen in recent months, and it's part of a broader effort by the federal government to provide targeted financial support to those who need it most. Let's take a closer look at what this payment is, who's getting it, when you should expect to see it in your account, and what steps you should take if it doesn't show up on time. This isn't just another generic relief check. This is a specifically scheduled and government-approved payment aimed at helping beneficiaries deal with rising living costs, inflation, and lingering economic pressures. It's no secret that in recent years, inflation has hit everyone hard. Whether it's the cost of groceries, gas, rent, or out-of-pocket healthcare expenses, the price of daily necessities has gone up significantly. This means fixed-income individuals, especially seniors, disabled individuals, and veterans, are feeling that pressure more than anyone. That's why this $1,966 deposit is so important. It's more than just a number. It's real money being distributed to help real people meet their needs. So, what exactly is this $1,966 deposit? It's a combination of a few different government efforts bundled into one lump sum. First, it's part of the latest cost of living adjustment, COLA, that the Social Security Administration, SSA, has applied to benefits. Every year, the SSA reviews inflation and economic data to determine how much benefits need to rise in order to maintain their purchasing power. In years where inflation spikes, as it has recently, that COLA increase is more significant. In fact, this year's adjustment was one of the largest in recent memory. But that's not the only piece of this payment. This deposit also includes retroactive benefits for some recipients, those who may have experienced delays in their applications or whose benefits were underpaid due to administrative backlogs. In other words, if the SSA or VA owes you money for past months, this deposit might include those amounts too. On top of that, there's also legislative support built into this. Recent bills passed in Congress expanded eligibility for certain categories of beneficiaries. These changes have unlocked new benefits for people who previously didn't qualify or who now qualify for more. All of that is being reflected in this latest payment cycle. Now, let's go over who qualifies for this $1,966 deposit. If you are receiving Social Security retirement benefits, whether you started at age 62, full retirement age, or even later, you are very likely included in this round of payments. Next, those receiving SSI benefits are also eligible. Remember, SSI is specifically for individuals with limited income and resources who are over 65, blind, or have a qualifying disability. This deposit is designed to give them much-needed relief. People receiving SSDI, those who are unable to work due to disability, are also included. That's great news because SSDI beneficiaries often have increased medical expenses and other financial obligations that make even small increases in income a big deal. And finally, let's not forget our veterans. If you are receiving monthly VA disability compensation, pensions, or other benefits, you are also included in this round of payments. It's a wide umbrella that covers millions of Americans who have served, worked, or paid into the system for years, and now they're seeing that commitment reflected in this financial boost. So when exactly will the money arrive? For those set up with direct deposit, the good news is that payments could land in your bank account as early as overnight Sunday into Monday. Many banks process government deposits quickly, especially when they're scheduled by federal agencies. This means you could wake up Monday morning and see the $1,966 already in your account. Others might see it later in the day, depending on how their financial institution handles direct deposits. If you're still receiving paper checks, you'll likely have to wait a few more days, depending on the mail delivery schedule in your area. If you can, I highly encourage you to sign up for direct deposit. It's faster, safer, and more reliable than waiting for a check in the mail. And the SSA and VA both recommend this method to avoid delays. Now, what happens if the money doesn't arrive when you expect it? First off, don't panic. There could be many reasons for a delay that have nothing to do with your eligibility. Start by logging into your online account, either with the Social Security Administration or the VA. These secure online portals allow you to view your payment history, see upcoming scheduled deposits, and check for any alerts or updates related to your benefits. If there are no updates and the money still hasn't arrived within a few days, the next step is to contact your financial institution to see if a pending deposit is on hold. Sometimes banks delay government payments due to mismatched information, so it's good to check. Finally, if you still don't have answers, call the SSA or VA directly. It might take some patience, especially around high-volume dates like this, but their representatives can provide specific information related to your case. Another very important point: please be cautious of scams. Every time a large government payment is announced, scammers try to take advantage of the situation. They may call, text, or email you pretending to be from the SSA, VA, or even your bank, asking for your Social Security number, bank account, or other personal details. Do not share this information. The government will never contact you in this way. If something seems off or too good to be true, it probably is. Report these scams immediately and always verify information through official channels only. Let's take a step back now and talk about the broader picture. This $1,966 deposit isn't just a standalone event. It's part of a wider, strategic effort by the federal government to provide targeted financial support to the people who need it most. Inflation has been rough. Prices for essentials are up across the board. And for folks on fixed incomes, especially seniors and people with disabilities, that strain has only grown heavier. That's why relief payments like this matter so much. They're not just about putting money in people's pockets. They're about providing stability, breathing room, and dignity. They're about recognizing that millions of Americans have worked, served, and contributed to this country. And now it's time for that investment to return to them in the form of financial security. This payment may be especially helpful for those struggling to pay rising utility bills, cover rent, manage unexpected medical expenses, or simply put food on the table. If you've been putting off necessary repairs to your home, vehicle, or health, this money might help cover those costs. For others, it could mean finally being able to buy needed medical equipment or refill expensive prescriptions. It could also help with reducing debt, especially high-interest credit card balances that have been lingering. And for those in better financial shape, this deposit could be a good opportunity to put money into an emergency fund, helping to provide some cushion against future hardships. Speaking of which, let's talk about how to use this money wisely. When a large one-time deposit like this comes in, it can be tempting to spend it quickly. But try to take a moment to think about your top priorities. First, look at any urgent expenses you've had to delay, things like medical procedures, car repairs, or overdue bills. Taking care of these can reduce long-term stress and financial damage. Next, if you have debt, especially with high interest, consider paying some of it down. That could save you money every single month. If you're relatively stable, think about putting part of the money into savings. Experts recommend having at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses set aside in case of emergencies. And if you're someone who helps support family or loved ones, now might be a good time to budget how best to use this payment without compromising your own needs. A little planning can go a long way. It's also worth mentioning again that while the $1,966 payment is being issued as a one-time deposit right now, that doesn't mean it's the last one we'll see. Depending on economic conditions and future legislation, there may be additional relief coming later in the year. That's why staying informed is so important. Make sure you're subscribed to reliable sources like this channel and keep an eye on official SSA and VA announcements. These programs evolve constantly, and getting timely information can help you take full advantage of the support that's available to you. Finally, let's address one last question that always comes up with payments like this. Is it taxable? The answer is yes. Most of the time, these payments are considered taxable income. So be sure to keep track of the deposit and set aside any paperwork or confirmation you receive. It could come in handy when filing taxes next year. However, this deposit will not affect your monthly benefits. You will continue receiving your regular Social Security, SSI, SSDI, or VA checks on schedule. This is in addition to, not instead of, those payments. So don't worry about this deposit cutting into your ongoing income. It's a bonus, and it's yours to use in whatever way helps you most. So, to sum everything up, starting Monday, a $1,966 deposit is being issued to millions of eligible Americans, including Social Security retirees, SSI and SSDI beneficiaries, and VA benefit recipients. This money is part of a broader government relief package aimed at helping people manage inflation and rising costs. It may arrive by direct deposit or paper check, and payments may vary slightly based on your individual case. Make sure your information is up to date, stay alert for scams, and check your SSA or VA account for details. Use the money thoughtfully to take care of what matters most in your life. Thanks for sticking with me through this important update. If this video helped you understand what's coming and how to prepare, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends who also receive benefits, and drop a comment below if you have questions or want to share your experience. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future updates. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video with more important news on your benefits and finances.